What's up, guys? How you doing? I'm Jay coming at you. Today, I want to announce that actually I sold my P20 Pro and I replaced it with the Mate 20X. As you can see here, this is the Mate 20X, not the 5G version. This is just the normal version. But there you go, guys. Let's just unbox it. By the way, I opened it before, but I want to show you what's inside the box. Anyways, that's the phone right here. This beautiful phone. Look at this. Look at this beautiful. And look at to quick look at the I/O. We have a USB Type C, two microphones here, and one speaker on the back. And we have a SIM card here, a dual SIM card, as you know. And on the top, we have the second speaker, an IR blaster, and a headphone jack with a microphone. So it's filled with heavy stuff. On the right side, we have only volume rocker and power button that is, have a little bit red accent into it. Now you can also play DJ with this phone, like for example. So you got this. Anyways, this phone is really nice, now, guys. But I'm really struggling with the size of it. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. It's just typical papers, some ejector tool. Now we have the USB type charger and 22 watts charger. Now and the earplugs. So people ask me, this phone actually can this phone actually support the 40-watt charger? So the 40-watt charger does not work with the Mate 20X. Unfortunately, it works only with the Mate 20 Pro, and that's the only downside, guys. The reason why I actually bought this phone rather than any other phone is because actually this phone, just zoom out a little bit. So this phone has the best spec in the world actually, and I think that I see this the best thing. So first off, you got a big 7.2-inch screen, edge to edge, as you can see. It's only barely going on here, like so. It's so big. It has a small notch, but you can cover up with the AMOLED screen, so no problem with that. And it works great. It's Huawei system, so fingerprint and everything works right and very nice. And I see it. You can do many things with this phone, guys. You can do many things. You can play games. You can watch Netflix. You can have you can do all the possibility. It's between a phablet, and the phone. So it's actually called the phablet. So what accessory I actually got from this purchase is we have this back, as you can see. It's a rubberized back with a cutout. As you can see, the speakers, those speakers here, beautiful speakers. And you have this stand over here. So this stands open up, and as soon as actually you open up the stands, you can have it like set up like, there you go. So you can put it here. Let me just give you an example. So this phone, if you put it on the cover, it's really great, really. So you open this and you put it like that, and then bam, you can watch Netflix. Maybe if you are at work, you have 1 hour free time, you can just put the headphones and watch Netflix and enjoy your time. You have all your bottom here. This is the power. This is the volume here. So it's pretty much a tablet. You can use it as a tablet as well. If you're traveling in a hotel, you can watch your stuff here. Really beautiful screen, guys. It's the best screen in the world. It's an AMOLED screen, and it's really beautiful colors over here. Anyways, guys, this is just to report that I actually updated my what do you call it? The daily driver. I updated my daily driver to this phone. So that's about it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.